Let's make some quick lemon themed decor. For my first DIY, I'm taking this jar sign and I have already covered it in white paper. You can even paint it. Then I took a piece of corrugated cardboard with the corrugation exposed. I've shown how easy that can be done in my previous few videos, and I've cut it to the size of the lid. It has got a curved top edge to match that of the lid of the mason jar sign shape, and the lower edge is flat just like a lid should be. I'm going to glue it in place of the lid of the mason jar. Now this is a sign I made 2 years back with some writings on it. When life gives you lemons, let's make something sweet, and I enjoyed it for a while, no more use it, therefore I decided to use this beautiful pattern out of this. This has black and white lemons in it and yellow color in the bottom. So I'm going to just get an estimate of the size. I'm cutting slightly shorter or smaller than the size of my mason jar sign. So once I cut it out, I've cut out close to the edge of the lemons pattern because I want to leave a little bit of white of the mason jar on the top as an empty portion of the jar. Now I'm cutting it, the bottom part especially, in curved line. After getting an estimate of how much of the pattern I want, I'm cutting it so that it looks like it's inside the jar. There are curved edges of the bottom and the sides of the jar, and it sits inside, so there's the wall of the jar left out. So once I glue it in position, it looks like the jar contains some amount of lemons and lemonade in it, ready to drink. So I glue it in position, then I have this cut out in a lemon with a leaf, and I'm going to glue it on top of the lid. Sweet and simple, quick lemon jar decor ready. Today my DIYs are inspired by Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, a great friend and a very talented YouTube crafter. Here is her channel. If you're new, you must visit. She is a very talented crafter, as I said before. More than that, she's a wonderful human being. She helps a lot and is very considerate and very professional at the same time, which I really appreciate. So check out her content. I'll put link to her channel down below in my description box. So my today's all 3 DIYs are little recreation of her videos, her crafts in the past, with my twist of lemon on it. For the second DIY, I took this small cheese board or cutting board sign. Now again, I have covered it in white so that I have a blank canvas to work on with. So I'm just taking a thin strip of light green paper and measuring and cutting and pasting it at the bottom to look like a lace kind of thing, yet have the crisp looks. Then I'm taking a yellow color pen and giving a yellow outline to it to bring out the colors of lemons here. Then I have this cutout of farmhouse animals stacked on one on top of the other. I find this always so funny, reminds me of a story you all know. So anyway, so I'm going to stick it right above the colored bands. Well, farms do have lemon trees. This cheese board or cutting board already has a jute string attached to it on the top hole. Just below it, I'm sticking a small piece of lemon cut out, and I think simple yet nice. For finishing touch, I'm taking my black color pen and just doing a little bit of edging, just highlighting the shape a little more, like an enameled look or just a little rugged look, but crisp yet. And I love this lemon decor, great for vignettes and tier trays. My today's DIYs are part of the Women Supporting Women cause, and here is the Crown Challenge or collaboration where we highlight a specific YouTuber that we really like. And today I'm highlighting Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, who is also the host of this collaboration, and also host of this collaboration is sweet and very talented Connie from Connie's Creative Creation. So you'll find link to Connie's channel as well as down in the description box along with this month's playlist. For my final DIY, I took a house sign. I don't want to waste this lovely print of lemons and yellow color here. So I'm cutting it to shape and size so as to fit my house sign and paste it here. Turn over the sign and trim off anything that is extra. It's easier to trim off the extra by sticking it and turning it over than checking, rechecking and cutting it. Anyways, it goes. To add a little extra, a little bit of jute string again, which I'm winding down below in the yellow portion and tying a simple bow. I always struggle with bows. Anyway, this looks cute, but let's make it cuter. I'm taking a light green color pen and making polka dots on the open or the white portion of the top part of my house sign. It was looking little bland and blank. So making this polka dots, they always make everything happy and cheerful. So green and yellow and the lemons, they're all here together and they all look so pretty. So I've just put together all my 3 signs or lemon decor together, and the lemon seasons are quite close by, almost here, and I think they make really cute, very cheerful sign. I think you will enjoy making them because they're so easy to make and they look really cute and brighten up any space. Do check out my host channels and Amanda and Connie's channel and let them know I sent you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video. And if you're new here, do consider subscribing with all notifications bell and join my YouTube family. I'll see you very soon with another craft idea. Until then, be positive, be creative and be happy. Thank you so much everybody.